Cloud Technology 101. So what is cloud technology? Does it actually have anything to do with a cloud in the sky, or do we actually send digital files into the clouds? Cloud technology is a growing trend that will soon be replacing our days of using hard drives, portable hard drives, USB, or even, what was that called again? Floppy disks. Just kidding. We don't use that anymore. So, how does it work? We often hear the terms upload and download, but how does it actually work? Where do we upload our information, and where are we accessing them from? I love how Cloudflare.com's definition of cloud technology is. The cloud refers to servers that are accessed over the internet and the software and databases that run on those servers. Cloud servers are located in data centers all over the world. By using cloud computing, users and companies do not have to manage physical servers themselves or run software applications on their own. To sum it up, to use cloud technology means that we are storing and accessing the information on servers that are saved on hard drives owned and maintained by companies via the internet. I mean, imagine all of these data coming from all over the world and are increasing by the seconds. There has got to be a secure place to store them, right? So where's that at? Servers! Right! These hard drives we're being granted access to remotely are actually servers that are being kept in secure data centers. Now, what are some of the benefits of using cloud technology? Here are some well-known benefits named by several resources. The benefits include it's less for us to carry, it's easier for everyone to access, it's stable, it backups data safely, people can now collaborate from anywhere and anytime, it's trackable, it's compatible with mobile devices, it's eco-minded, and it saves time, space, and costs. However, not everyone is ready for or receptive towards cloud technology. Some people just don't want to use them. You may ask them, why not? Well, one of the top reasons is the lack of trust. Let's be honest. Whenever we talk about the flip side of cloud technology, the risk of being hacked or have identity stolen will always come to mind. And we may imagine a picture of someone stealing our data like this. And then we may just see a room full of red lights flashing everywhere, error messages popping up on our screens, and people frantically trying to stop the attack. And, yeah, you get the idea. But what if? Just saying, what if? The first picture you saw was just your computer programmer who's really into wearing hoodies? Ha! I know. Ha ha. Well, here are some popular reasons why people are still reluctant about using iCloud or cloud technology. They say things like, we got data risk, internet speed can be a variable, hackers like to target cloud-based data, it may not be as cost-saving as we think in the long term. Our privacy may be at risk. It can become unreliable should the network is down, and the service is subscription-based. With all jokes aside, the privacy and safety of our data is a very logical concern, so we need to make sure we choose our server provider carefully. Every server provider company would always make sure to have a strong cybersecurity team who is ready to not only track down the origin of issues, but also provide a timely solution. Google came to mind as we are talking about this, as we've known that Google is one of the worldwide tech giants who conquered many educational or business users with its offering of G Suite, multifaceted browser, and a 15 gig free storage. The use of Google Drive is a great example of cloud technology, and users are able to safely access their data because Google has a strong cybersecurity team. By the way, the cybersecurity team doesn't just solve problems, but they're always monitoring the data traffic. To learn more about cybersecurity, I highly recommend checking out this video from Simply Learn. Now, what are some examples of cloud technology? Companies like Apple offers iCloud, Microsoft offers OneDrive, and Google offers Google Drive. I will be using Google Drive to demonstrate how cloud technology works today. To use Google Drive from our mobile device, we need to first download the Google Drive app to our phone from the App Store. Simply search for Google Drive in the search bar. Then you will find it. Next, click on the Download button. Open it. Sign in with your Gmail account. Next, let's upload a trailer video directly from the photo app on our phone to Google Drive. Select and find the Share option. And select Google Drive on your Share menu. While we're at it, let's create a folder called Movies in our Drive. Then click on Save Here to upload the video. Let's try uploading a photo this time from our photo app. Select the photo first and then select Share to option and find Google Drive on the Shared menu. Click on the drive. And click on the word Upload on the upper right-hand corner. Now let's go back to the drive to see if it's there. Give it a second. There it is. Voila! To access Google Drive from a laptop, you want to make sure you're signed into your Google account first. Then type drive.google.com. This is a direct way of accessing your cloud drive. To upload documents or pictures or any files to a shared folder, find Shared with Me on the menu on the left side first. Then click to open the folder. Even though I can choose to drag and drop my files into the drive like this, I will be using the plus new button on the left to upload for the sake of our demonstration today. Select. And there you go. More pictures of our family pets. I hope these tips are helpful to you, and thank you for watching today.